Hey everyone, Suzy here from Adventurous Real Estate Investors. In this video, I'm going to talk about worker bees. The thing is that you are the worker bee. Don't worry though, I was one too, but you can get away from that by working towards your tipping point to become your own boss, from being the decision implementer to the decision maker. Working towards your tipping point is super important. So use your heart print to create something great. While you are doing the work associated with your interests, there will be a tipping point one day. There always is. It's where you will create enough value that the money you earn starts to make your paycheck have less and less value. It's an awesome feeling. So here is your escape plan tip number 4. So work outside of your work hours. Do it during your lunch breaks, on the weekend, early in the morning, or late at night. Whatever works best for you. Yes, even 30 minutes will help you get there. Just keep that forward momentum going. But there's a catch. It takes longer to reach the tipping point than you might imagine. And when you get there, you want to set up a buffer so that you are not racing back to your 9 to 5 when you stumble across the tiniest of setbacks, and you will, we all do, and it's not that big of a deal. The good news is that it shouldn't be hard to work away at your interests in your free time because you should have been doing it anyways. It's something that you love. So a great quote by Malcolm Gladwell is, "The tipping point is that magic moment when an idea, trend, or social behavior crosses a threshold, tips, and spreads like wildfire." Let your ideas spread like wildfire in your life. I hope that you found value in this video, and don't forget to stay tuned for the remaining videos that follow. And if you definitely loved it, make sure to smash that like button below and subscribe above, and make sure to ring that bell so that you get notified when we put out more content. Until next time, explore more, adventure awaits.